In this class we will learn how to use the 2D to 3D feature of SolidWorks. Very important when working with 2D geometries imported from other CAD software, for example, from AutoCAD. Let's go to class. See, I have a 2D detail file. Then I'll save in DWG, watch. The file I saved you can download to follow the lesson further. Depending on the case, you will only have the DWG file to work with, you will not have the visualization and manipulation of the same 3D file. However, SolidWorks allows us to convert, so let's open the DWG file. The import window opens, just leave the option Import to a new part as 2D sketch checked and next. In the next window, we can choose the unit of measurement that we want to import, whether with geometric and dimensional constraints or not, and which layers are required. We can deselect some layers and check the preview, or import all layers and delete them later. We click Next, and in this other window we can define the point of origin of the sketch and some more options. However, this does not interest us, we can complete and confirm the message. See that the sheet is opened in sketch format and that the 2D to 3D toolbar appears. Whenever we complete a 2D geometry import into a new part file, SolidWorks automatically makes this toolbar available to assist us in transforming this file into a solid template. First of all, let's remove the unwanted edges, keep track. Note on the toolbar that, between the views, only the front is active, because it is based on it that we will define the others. We select all edges of this view and activate the Add to Front Sketch option. See that the entities in this view change color and it is positioned in a new sketch, which is created automatically. Let's select this other view and set it to right view. See that your positioning is adjusted automatically. This last view we will not use, so just delete it. We also erase these center lines, imported with the view, so that we do not have difficulties ahead, when we extrude the sketches. We confirm the sketch and select the center point of the view and activate the Align Sketch tool to determine the position of the first glance. In the right view we do not have a midpoint. Therefore we edit the outline of the right view, then we create a center line, add the point and confirm. We leave the point selected and activate the alignment option again. Now, with these two sketches, let's form the solid model. We click on the sketch, activate the Convert to Extrusion feature and select the contour shown. We determine the size of the extrusion according to the other view. Thus, we change the condition to vertex and in the second direction as well. We select a vertex of the view and the size is set automatically. We confirm and we have the solid. We extrude the other parts as shown. Remember to read the sketch correctly when clicking the vertices. After the conversion, we can still continue with the editing of the model. In this case we only apply 2 rays of 5 mm. It is very interesting to use this feature. You can interact with other 2D software quickly and conveniently, gaining agility and developing your products. We have seen in this class the use of the 2D to 3D feature of SolidWorks. Train your knowledge by applying it to other models.